Hey everyone, welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya, and today I'm going to be sharing what I got in my February Subscribe to Save order from Young Living. If you're not familiar with Subscribe to Save, it's basically a monthly wellness box that you get to pick what goes into it and have that sent to your home each month. So it's super convenient, and plus when you're on Subscribe to Save with Young Living, you get a 24% wholesale discount, as well as you're eligible for getting cash back that you can use for future purchases. So we're going to start with the different household items that I got this month. The first one is the Thieves Dish Soap. Now the Thieves Dish Soap is really nice because it doesn't have things like SLS, SLES, there's no parabens or dyes or synthetic fragrances. So it's a really nice, clean, plant-based dish soap, and it still does a really good job. I've used, obviously other dish soaps in the past, and this one is just as good as any you would get at Target or Walmart. Then I needed to restock my Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste. Now, this is a great toothpaste. This toothpaste doesn't have any fluoride or artificial flavors, preservatives, anything like that in it. It does have the Thieves essential oil blend in it, which that's a combination of things like lemon and clove. Clove has a lot of great dental benefits. There's also eucalyptus in that blend, and then it's flavored with spearmint and peppermint. So nice mint. And then it's flavored with spearmint and peppermint, so you still get that nice minty, clean feeling in your mouth without all the gross additives. Then the next two things I ordered this month are new to me. The first one is the mineral sunscreen. It has an SPF of 50. It is reef safe, so that's something that's really important when you're looking at a sunscreen, and it's not supposed to leave that kind of white hazy residue that a lot of mineral sunscreens can. I'm trying to get away from the aerosol sunscreens just because aerosols in general can have a lot of different things added to them that we don't necessarily want to be spraying on our bodies. So I can't wait to try this one. I'm probably going to use it more for body. I'll see how it goes to see if it's something I use on my face or not. But I wanted to give it a try since I am trying to make that switch. Then I picked up the charcoal mask. We all need a good face mask every once in a while, especially a charcoal one to help pull all those impurities out of our skin. And this one has mint in it also, which I really love Young Living's satin mint facial scrub. So it has that nice like tingling feeling. So I'm hoping that since this has mint in it as well, it'll give that same nice clean tingling feeling while it's pulling out all the gunk from my pores. Then the last household personal care item that I got is the Thieves mouthwash. I really like the Thieves mouthwash. It is very intense though, so that's just a bit of a warning. When you first start using it, you may have to cut it with a little bit of water till you get used to the intensity of the mint and different oils that are in it. It does a great job of freshening your breath though, and it also helps, like if you have a sore throat and you gargle it, it helps with that sore throat as well, because this does have the Thieves essential oil blend in it, so it has that clove and lemon and eucalyptus, and all of those can help out with not only keeping your breath fresh and keeping your teeth in good order, but they can also help with things like sore throats. Now we're going to move on to the supplements I got this month. If you've watched any of these before, you know that Life 9 Young Living's probiotic is kind of my ride or die. I had lots of stomach issues over the years and pretty much had a messed up stomach for like 20 years. And this is what the turning point was as far as getting my gut health under control. It has 17 billion live cultures in it, so a lot of those, since there's so many live cultures in it, it gives a better chance of them actually making it through your digestive system and surviving in your stomach so that they can do some good. But if you have any sort of gut health issues or anything like that, this is something I would highly recommend giving a try. You can always talk about it with your physician, but it's kind of a must for me. Another one of my supplements that I get every month is the golden turmeric. Now, this is a newer supplement for Young Living, but I was really happy they added it in. I use turmeric to help with, I have some joint pain and just generalized pain from the fibromyalgia I have. So this kind of helps with that as far as, you know, it's great for inflammation and joint health. Young Living's golden turmeric is water soluble, and it's 24 times more bioavailable than most turmeric supplements on the market. And what that means is it's just bioavailable is how soon or how much your body can absorb of that supplement. So this will get into your system much better than a lot of the other turmerics out there on the market. And then the last supplement I picked up was vitamin D. Vitamin D is super important for your bone health as you get older, especially for a woman. I'm in my mid-40s, so I've been taking a vitamin D supplement for a while. There's also crazy statistics out there that like more than half of the people in the US are deficient in vitamin D. And vitamin D doesn't only help with like your bone health, but it also helps with things like respiratory support. So it's a really great one to add into your supplement regimen if you're not taking it already. As just with any supplement, you can always talk to your doctor about it, but more than likely with how many people are deficient in vitamin D, it's something you're going to be able to add in. And that was all the supplements that I picked up for this month. Next thing I picked up was the Calm CBD roll-on. I love this roll-on. I use it every night before bed. I have very poor sleep quality, and this is one of the few things that helps me get to sleep tonight. It is a THC-free CBD, so you don't have to worry about any of those kind of effects from it. But it still is very relaxing. Plus it has essential oils in it like vetiver's in there, lavender's in there, and then it has a couple of other ones that are just calming and help you get better rest at night. Then I grabbed Panaway. Panaway is great for sore muscle relief. It has wintergreen in it, spearmint, helichrysum, just a bunch of great oils, and it's really cooling on your skin and can kind of help with if your muscles are feeling kind of hot and fatigued. It'll help relieve some of that discomfort. So I always try to keep some of this on hand. If you don't have Panaway or if it's out of stock or anything like that, Aroma Seeds is another good oil that you can use for sore muscle relief. And then I picked up Jade Lemon. Jade Lemon is just like a little bit sweeter lemon essential oil than just straight up lemon. It's not quite as, I would say, astringent. I love this one. It has like that extra little sweet note to it. And quite frankly, I'm ready for spring. So I've been diffusing a lot of citrus oils lately to just kind of perk my spirits up and bring that spring vibe into my home. So that was everything that I ordered this month, but I did end up getting a lot of the free gifts with purchase this month. Young Living has different promotions that they run every month, and depending on how much you spend, you can earn different freebies for that. So that's a great perk of being on Subscribe to Save, as well as you get not only cash back, but you can get all of these freebies also. Some of the freebies are Subscribe to Save exclusive. Some you can get if you just place like a regular order, but some are specific to Subscribe to Save. So that's just another great reason to make sure you're signed up for Subscribe to Save when you're ordering from Young Living. So my first freebie was LME. Now, if you're not familiar with this essential oil, it's a cousin to frankincense, and it basically has a lot of the same properties. It's great for grounding, meditation, just helping you relax, as well as skincare. And it's a lot more affordable than frankincense, so it's basically frankincense's budget cousin. So if you like frankincense, then I would definitely give this one a try. Like I said, it's more affordable and has a lot of the same great benefits. Then I got geranium for free this month. I was super excited that this was a freebie because I had it in my cart to purchase, and then I didn't need to. I got it for free. Geranium just has that nice floral, it's more of a soft floral scent. Geranium is great for helping you relax also, and it's awesome for skincare. I add it to my glow serums and my foaming face wash. It just helps like brighten up your complexion. So if you're making any DIY skincare products, geranium is one you're definitely gonna. Then I also received ylang ylang for free this month. Now ylang ylang is often thought about as like a romance oil. It's a great one for perfumes or if you're having a date night to diffuse. It has that nice floral scent, and it's been known to be an aphrodisiac as well. But what you may not know about ylang ylang is also great for your skin and great for your hair. It brings on shine to your hair, and then it's also just helps with a more even complexion as far as your skincare. Then I also received One Heart for free this month. This is an essential oil blend, and it has a lot of citrus notes in it, as well as some floral notes. There's Northern Lights black spruce in there as well, and it's just to help you kind of lift up your spirit, commune with others, and create a positive environment. Now I haven't smelled this one yet. I haven't had this oil before. It smells really nice. You can tell there's some ylang ylang in it. This would be a great one to diffuse or even put in a DIY perfume. I really like this one. Another freebie this month was this little dropper bottle. Dropper bottles like this are great for like glow serums or if you're doing a diffuser balm, something like that. And this one's super cute. It's pink and says Young Living on it, so I will put this to good use. And then my final freebie this month was a pretty awesome one. It is a package of the lavender bath bombs. So who doesn't love a good bath bomb? And these are nice, clean ingredients. Lavender is one of my favorite scents, so I know I'll really enjoy these, and I'm looking forward to using these for a little bit of self-care. And that was everything that I received this month. It was a bigger order for me, so I got more of the free gifts with purchase than usual, so that was a nice perk. If you're interested in trying any of Young Living's products, I always have a link down below in my description box. It's what I use the most of in my house for my family and myself, and I highly recommend all of their products. So if you're interested in giving them a try, like I said, there's always a link down in my description box. And then if you have any questions on any products, you can feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. So I hope you enjoyed this little haul, and take care until next time.